Hi guys, just a quick review about Charlie's Shreddin8 program. Absolutely fantastic program if you're new to the fitness game, if you're even been in it for a while and you want to learn new stuff. I was specifically new in the game, and I couldn't get over a hurdle of a specific weight that I wanted to lose. Um, in the first 2 weeks I'd smashed that, built muscle, lost fat, and now I'm down 8% in body fat, up 7 kilos in muscle, and feeling absolutely great about it. If you got any doubts, message me. I will happily recommend this program to anybody. Um, Everybody at work, I've recommended it 200%. Massive results in a short amount of time. Definitely worth doing. All right, thank you.